Hello everyone, Storm 101 here. Today we'll be taking a look into your weekly forecast for Monday to Saturday. Now, let's go ahead and get started with what's going on right now, actually. We have big-time storms developing across from portions of Iowa back into Texas. Now, those could be supercellular storms. Now, your main threats is going to be damaging winds, large hail, and may even have a couple tornadoes potentially as well, or spin-ups. As you can see here, there is rain and a few storms out in the eastern part of the United States as well. Pretty not bad weather out in the west as well. You can see here your consecutive outlook for today. There's a slight risk for those very same areas that I've mentioned. We have two areas of marginal out in the east, one for a very small portion of Florida, and another area from Virginia into South Carolina. Now, here's your bigger outlook here. So your tornado threat kind of stays in Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. Your wind threat is definitely there, and your hail threat is also definitely there. We can even see some hail 2 inches plus in diameter. So we can see some very large hail for tonight. Then, let's go ahead and go into tomorrow. You got slight risk stretching from central Missouri back into Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and a small portion of Colorado, with a marginal risk surrounding that slight risk, and it even extends to a good chunk of Texas along the Mexico border. Now, let's go ahead and take a look into that with the GFS here. So, here we go into tomorrow. Got some some scattered showers in the central part of the United States. In the west, could be some partly cloudy skies with a few showers. And it could be a similar situation out in the east. There, got some cold air going on for portions of the north. Then here we go on to Tuesday. Here, you got low pressure starting to deepen in the Rockies there, bringing in a lot of precipitation for most of the United States. Here, some scattered showers and storms there. And here we go on Wednesday here. And let me go in and show you those couple days. So here is Tuesday. On day 3, got a slight risk for parts of Oklahoma and Texas for the surrounding area with a marginal. Your main threat is going to be damaging wind, hail, and maybe potential for tornadoes there. The models are in a good agreement for that. And let's go ahead and take a look into your Wednesday. Now, we're going to watch Wednesday. Could be a big time severe weather event. This goes in for portions of Texas, all the way into portions of Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri there. We go back into here. Here's Wednesday here. You can see there's a potential for strong to severe thunderstorms into portions of Kansas and Oklahoma. And that really starts to get pretty widespread during the afternoon there. And we may even have a derecho event in Arkansas there. You can see kind of a bowling segment there. You can see some damaging wind of a threat. Then here we go on to Thursday. Another day for severe weather. This goes for portions of Texas, for Louisiana, excuse me, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Missouri, Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan. For those few states, there can see for the potential of damaging winds, large hail, and maybe even potential for a few tornadoes. And not 50% as well. This is day 5, so it's a little far out, so we get to see some changes, probably later outlooks there. And beyond that, it's predictably too low for day 6 through 8. Now let's go ahead and go back here. Let's take a look into your Thursday here. Got some potential strong severe thunderstorms down and around Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. It seems like that kind of dies out. so they can regain strength. You got some scattered showers and potentially thunderstorms stretching into the Ohio Valley. Got low pressure passing into the north there. Now keep in mind some of these storms could be strong or severe. Now, it's going to go into your Friday here. So Friday, not much severe weather threat. There could be potential for severe weather down in Louisiana, but right now it's predictably too low at this point. That kind of starts to move into Mississippi as well. Here we go into your Saturday. You got some nice weather for portions of the Central United States. You got low pressure passing in the north. You got low pressure into Canada there. Could see some windy conditions on this low here for portions around that. You got some rain. We may even have a stationary front going on here. And there could be the potential for flooding down around Louisiana and Texas as well. We can take a look into those rainfall totals there. Now, this is throughout into through Saturday. So, we may even have some round of showers and storms. Flood threat doesn't continue, could be potential into Kansas there with a potentially 6 inches. I think that's a little overdone. I think we could see potentially up to 3 inches or 4. Some isolated areas could see up to 5 inches. This does include down here, Texas and Louisiana, maybe even Arkansas. So we could see a decent amount of rain. So generally from 1 inch to maybe up to 5 inches of rain possible around there. Oregon looks to be staying pretty dry. Maybe for the same situation for Washington. So y'all be seeing some nice weather there. Pretty much everybody else can see generally 1 to 3 inches of rain or less than an inch for a good chunk of the United States. Can we see some snow for this week? Well, we may even get to see some snow in portions of the Dakotas, Montana. Very high snowfall totals in the Rocky Mountains there. We may even have some mountain snow going on, well, in the high hilltops in the northeast as well. So this is all good for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick weekly forecast here. I'll talk about more about severe weather probably tomorrow if I have enough time. So yeah, if you do like this channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you got any questions, go ahead and put in the comment section down below. I will try to answer that. Any of your questions. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.